Meredith!
Hi.
Oh, we are just so happy to have you here at the ASPCA.
Oh, sure, yeah.
I just wanted to talk about some of your work on the website.
No, yeah, I'd love some feedback. So great.
Okay. So, you wrote this profile. Hi, my name is Judd. I'm a 10-week-old male Basset Hound mixed puppy who weighs 7 pounds. Meredith, Judd is only 10 weeks old. It's about 2 years old in human years.
I'm sorry, I don't... So what...
Meredith, is this dog some kind of baby genius?
I don't think I follow
It
what
should be
you...
more like... I'm little.
Okay.
Okay, you get it?
I think we're missing some details here.
Oh, no, all the details are right there. Okay, look, he's not housebroken. Give it a shot.
Okay, like a baby. I'm not potty trained. Twained, but with some practice, I could be. Gaga, goo goo. I don't know if that.
Meredith, are you not taking this seriously?
What's wrong with this one?
Meredith, dogs don't know what potties are. They're dogs.
Okay, so how should I
It
write
should
this
be
one?
something like, I still make a wee on the ground. What do all these loud noises around me? Metal cars with rolling wheels scare me. Cars.
Cars scare me. Okay.
You got it right from the dog experience, all right? Yeah?
Okay.
Look at the list, okay?
Yeah.
He's up to date on his shots.
Okay.
What do you think?
Okay. This one time, I woke up with a big plastic cone on my head. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I want an owner. I see things that's black and white. I want an owner who puts a big fancy rope on my head and walks me twice a day. Please adopt me. Yes. Oh my God.
Okay, let's do another one.
Okay. Oh. I finally got it.
Yeah, all right. But this is a cat. A cat, and a cat's a whole different beast.
Actually, I think I get how to write this in the first person. Actually, yeah. All right. Okay. All right. I'll just give it a little
Meredith. Meredith, get off that table. Meredith, don't. Meredith, get. Meredith, get. No, Meredith.
I went too far.
It was